Welcome to Insync's Action Planning Workshops Offering Guide. As organisations conclude their employee surveys, they find themselves at a pivotal crossroads, ready for a transformative journey from measurement to improvement. Introducing Action Planning Workshops, the essential link bridging assessment and advancement, empowering organisations to leverage the full potential of their survey and other diagnostic data. At Insync, we specialise in offering tailored expertise and support to guide you on a path to measurable improvement, aligning seamlessly with your unique journey. Here's how our workshops can benefit you. Action planning workshops can be conducted at all organisational levels, from executive leadership groups to various teams. Our analysts analyse survey results to identify key focus areas, collaborating with you to finalise the topics for action planning. Our skilled facilitators excel quickly at building rapport and trust. Thought and effort is put into creating a conducive environment for action planning, encouraging honest opinions, critical thinking, and a constructive problem-solving approach. Participants are encouraged to be mindful of their biases and embrace diverse perspectives. Our facilitators guide discussions, encouraging participants to view topics from various angles. Ideas and suggestions are gathered, prioritised using an effort versus impact priority matrix, and categorised as strategic priorities or quick wins. Our facilitators will provide valuable insights into effective action planning principles, ensuring the adoption of effective strategies. Workshop outcomes are meticulously captured in a comprehensive report, forming the foundation of your implementation plan. Take the next step with Insync, where expertise meets action, turning insights into measurable improvements.